Hello guys, today in this video I will tell you how to create a .rar file. First of all, you should align your files to be add into that archive. Select all the files and then click on this add to archive. You can also click on this add to new folder because new folder you can rename that later. Here it is created and you can rename as you want. And other tip is if you want to create a password protected .rar file, then you have to select all these files, then we will protect it using a password. We will add to archive. Then this option menu will here you can create change the name, and you can also create .zip file, rar file. You can also compress it slow or fast method, and you can also change its output size. And here you can log click on log archive, set password. For example, I set password 1212. This is my password. And you can also encrypt file names so that no one can know their names, but I will leave it here. Okay. And here you can also comment. You have seen many torrent files where there is some type of promotion in comment section. You can write anything here, description about the files or method to retrieve password or open these files. So I will click OK, and here I have created that, and it says password, enter password, and you can say here it says comments. So I hope you like today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe our channel.